So you're probably wondering why one side of my head is completely dry and curly and then the other side is damp. So I'm actually going to be doing a side-by-side comparison of two very popular hair tools, the Wavytalk Heated Round Brush, which is going to give you like blowout curls, and the Dyson Airwrap, which is also going to give you blowout curls. They are two very different hair tools, but they give you very similar results, but you're supposed to use them differently. That's why on this side my hair is completely dry. Make sure that you use this hair tool on completely dry hair, and then this one, the Dyson Airwrap, you can use on damp wet hair. You can also use it on dry hair. This is a blow dryer, this is a heated round brush, which is very similar to a curling iron, so keep that in mind. As you can see, I already did this section with the Wavytalk Heated Round Brush. I mean, look at that curl, it's so nice. I was filming a TikTok, so if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, you can follow me right here. This is my TikTok. I post so many videos on there, like I love TikTok. So yeah, make sure that your hair is completely dry before you use the Wavytalk Heated Round Brush. But what I like to do is just smooth out my roots first. As you can see, just using this as a brush just to smooth out my hair. Now that my roots are pretty smooth for the most part, I'm going to actually curl my hair. So I like to take the brush, smooth out the rest of my hair like that, and just start bringing it up. So smooth it out, bring it up, hold, unwrap, bring it back down. I also think that if you use a straightener to straighten your roots, that would be even better. So that's a nice option as well, because I feel like it is a little bit hard to smooth out the roots with this round brush. Okay, so now I'm just twisting it down, and there you have it. Look at that curl, it's so pretty. I do kind of wish that I could smooth out my roots better with the flat iron, but because I'm filming this video and I'm doing a side-by-side comparison, I'm not going to be using a flat iron to smooth out my roots. But if you do have a flat iron and if you want to do that before curling your hair, then I totally recommend doing that. But yeah, I'm just doing the same thing on this section right here. This hair tool is super easy to use. As you can see, look at those curls, they're so nice. And if you wanted to set the curls with a clip, that would be even better, because that way the curls can last even longer. They will get a lot bouncier as well, so you can definitely use a clip just to clip it for a little bit. And now let's move on to this side. So I'm gonna do one section here, another one here, and then I'm gonna do all my hair probably on the Dyson side first, just to dry this wet side, and then I'll do the Wavytalk. But for the Dyson, as you can see, this is the first curl that I got. I used the round brush attachment and the curling barrel attachment. So with the Dyson, it is $600. It's a lot more pricey. You can get this for like $30 sometimes. But with the Dyson, you do get a ton of attachments. I mean, even a diffuser attachment, which is super nice. So what I like about the Dyson is that you can use it on wet hair, and for me, I do prefer to blow out my curly hair straight from like wet hair, not like curly like this. So I like to use this in the highest heat setting and highest speed, of course, and I'm using the big round brush attachment like I said. So let me turn this on. Just smooth out my hair. I'm gonna make sure that I dry my hair completely with this round brush attachment before going in with this, even though you can use this on wet hair as well, which is nice, or damp hair. But since I have pretty curly hair, I'd rather blow out my hair completely and then add curls to my hair. Now that my hair is completely dry, I'm gonna curl it with the curling barrel. So I just take the section, use my ends to wrap my hair around the barrel. Sometimes I need to help it a little bit, especially on like completely dry hair. Yeah, just let it curl for a little bit. I'll do the cool shot and then release the curl. And look at that beautiful curl. I mean, that is so nice. That looks like such a nice, soft, like natural blowout curl. I really like that. Now I'm gonna set this curl as well. Clip it for a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna just finish this side and then I'll be back and do the Wavytalk side. But so far, I mean, they're both so good. either one that you get, you're going to love. These two hair tools are so nice. So I did this side already with the Dyson Airwrap, and I actually clipped each section just to like set the curls for a little bit. I'm gonna keep doing the Wavytalk Heated Round Brush side, and as you can see, my hair is completely dry, so I like to actually detangle my hair with a comb. I like to use this hair tool more on blown out hair already, but you can use this on your natural curly hair. I just feel like it's a little bit harder to use this way. As you can see, I like to smooth out my hair first, and once I feel like my hair is like pretty smooth, then I'll do a curl. So I'll just hold for a little bit, unwrap, hold, and then I start to twist the hair tool down like this, very slowly, and there you have it. It's like a nice bouncy curl. So now I'm gonna do this section right here, smoothing out these curls, and now I'm gonna do a little curl. So hold, unwrap, and then start twisting down, and so there you have it. Such a nice, beautiful, bouncy curl. I wish my roots were just a little tiny bit more smooth. I feel like if you use a straightener and then use this hair tool on natural curls, then I feel like you'll get a better overall look at the end. But we'll see. I'm gonna keep doing my hair and I'll be back with the final look. Let's start taking these off. I actually let them set for a couple minutes, maybe like 30 minutes. This is the first Dyson curl. I do feel like the Wavytalk is a little tiny bit more rough on my curly hair than the Dyson is, and I did feel like it was pulling my hair a little bit more than the Dyson Airwrap. But if you use the Wavytalk on blown out hair, I feel like it'll work even better in my opinion. The Dyson is a lot nicer in my opinion for blowouts. The Wavytalk is a nice last step to your blowout. Alright guys, so this is the Dyson side. As you can see, I feel like this side looks a lot more smooth at the root. On this side, I feel like I have more of a bounce. As you can see, it looks way shorter than this side. But at the same time, I feel like the roots are not as smooth as this side. Both of these hair tools give you very nice results, but I feel like I still need a flat iron, like on both sides, like not just this side, but also the Dyson side. I almost always use a flat iron to straighten the roots at least, because I have very, very curly roots. And as you can see, this side looks like more voluminous at the top because of that, because of my curly roots. But what do you guys think? Which side do you like better? Do you like the Wavytalk side better, which is this one? Or do you like the Dyson side better, which is this one? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And do you think it's worth it to get the $600 hair tool over the $30 hair tool? Let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.